welcome back to my channel. I'm Pulumi Mukherjee and today's video is going to be one of the most requested videos, that how I edit my Instagram pictures. As we all know that editing is the key. If we can properly edit a picture, then even if the background is bad or the image is not so attractive, it can look a lot lively. So the app which I'm going to use today is Lightroom. The features I am using are totally free and you don't have to buy any features as such. And this app has all my hearts. Like, since the time I started editing, like, I learned how to edit the pictures. This is the only app I have been using, and I also use PicsArt. Like, in this video I'm not using the PicsArt because there is no use, but if I come up with more editing videos, like if you all request me to, then I'll show you how I edit my pictures in PicsArt. That is also great. So lots of talk, now let's get into the video.
I have already cropped the image. Now I am adjusting the curve. Curve helps to give the picture a matte effect, like I am doing for this image. Then I go for the exposure, where I decrease the exposure. If you all have any confusion that what feature works how, always it is preferable to increase it to 100% and see how it works. And the same goes for contrast, highlight, shadow, whites, and the blacks. Adjust it and see if you are getting the desired result. So after I have edited the light part comes my most favorite part, that is the mix. And over here you can be creative, you can play with the colors. For the first red, it is used to adjust the reds to orange
Un
or red.
elefante muy elegante, la trompa muy larga, la trompa gigante.
Now for this red you can adjust the body tone to yellowish or reddish. I always prefer doing it reddish. The yellow color helps to give a yellowish tone to the image. For this image, it was not of much use. I was just trying out if it could help. So after yellow comes the green. Since the image has leaves, so I have increased the greens to a vibrant shade so that the greens were more visible. It is never possible to get the desired effect right at the first place. I always have to go back and readjust the luminance and the saturation so that I can get a better version of the picture.
Muy larga.
So after the red, yellow and green comes the blue, which is the fun part. Like, you can be very creative, you can make the sky bluish, reddish or purplish, sorry, by adjusting the hue, saturation and luminance.
Hey, gigante.
So once we feel that we have got the desired result, we go to temperature. If we move the temperature towards the left, it gives a bluish effect, and moving towards the right gives a yellowish effect. And then comes the tint, where we get purplish or greenish effect on left and the right side consecutively. And then comes the vibrance, where we get to highlight our pictures. And then comes the saturation.
Let me take it to the zoo. Zoo.
So after we are done with the colors, we go to effect, where we adjust the texture, clarity and the days. It is not the same for all the images. We need to just move it towards the left and right to see that if we are getting the desired result. After we are done with the days, we go to the vignette to give the picture a blackish effect, and then we add grains.
So here we have today's winner. जैसे कि Instagram में हम आप लोग को बोले थे कि send me your pictures so that I can edit them and you all get a chance to get featured in my YouTube video. So we have the winner today. Let's see who it is.
Está muy larga, la trompa gigante.
Here we come to the end of this video. अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो like the video, comment and also share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Actually the last clip was deleted by mistake and I had to film these parts in Snapchat because just at the last moment I realized that I don't have a clip. So please excuse me for it, and I'll be coming up with more videos soon. Till then, tata, bye bye, love you.